Hello, my name is Greg from the Doylestown Gold Exchange Buyers, Sellers, and Jewelers. We purchase precious metals and coins, but we are also a full-service jewelry store. So that means that we offer jewelry repair for many different items that you may have. When you come into our store, we will take your item and give you a detailed description of what you will leave with us. This way, we will ensure that when you come to pick up your item, you will get back exactly what you gave us to be repaired. We do many simple services such as a simple solder. We can do ring sizings, stone setting, and we also do custom engagement rings. Sabrina runs our repair department, and she keeps up with estimates, and most of the jewelry repairs that you leave with us will be between 1 to 2 weeks to be fully completed. Some services are done here on site, and some are done at our shop. Our shop is local, so everything is hand-delivered, and we ensure that everything is safe while it's in our custody. So if you have any types of these needs or services for your jewelry repair, please keep us in mind. You can find us at DoylestownGoldExchange.com. Reach out to us at 215-345-6630 with any questions regarding your repair, and we will answer your questions. So keep us in mind at Doylestown Gold Exchange, Buyers, Sellers, and Jewelers.